Welcome students. In this video, we will discuss about the formula for derivative of trigonometric functions. We know that the trigonometric functions are sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x and secant x, cosecant x. First, if start with the letter C in trigonometric functions, then we have to write the sign minus in the formula for the derivatives. That is, here three functions start with the letter C. Therefore, d by dx of cos x equal to minus of some function. D by dx of cot x equal to minus of some function. D by dx of cosecant x equal to minus of some function. Next trick. In 6 trigonometric functions, convert to 3 pairs of functions. Likewise, sin, cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. First pair sin, cos, where sin start with the letter S and cos ends with the letter S. That is, if it start with the letter S and ends with the letter S, then d by dx of sin x equal to cos x and d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. Here, start with the letter S and end with the letter means the same pair in reverse order. Therefore, the formula for d by dx of sin x equal to cos x and the formula for d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x, because cos start with the letter C. Therefore, we write the sign minus and the reverse order sin. Therefore, d by dx of cos x equal to minus sin x. Then third trick. In the second pair, tan x, cot x. Here, tan start with the letter T and cot ends with the letter T. That is, if it starts with the letter T and ends with the letter T, then the formula for derivative of these two trigonometric functions is the square of the third pair secant x and cosecant x. That is, d by dx of tan x equal to the square of secant x, that is secant squared x. Next, d by dx of cot x equal to square of cosecant x, that is cosecant squared x. Here, cot start with the letter C. Therefore, d by dx of cot x equal to minus of cosecant squared x. This is a third trick. Next, fourth trick. In the third pair secant x, cosecant x, where secant x start with the word secant and the cosecant x ends with the word secant. Then we have to write for derivative of secant x is multiply of secant x with tan x. For derivative of cosecant x is multiply the cosecant x with minus cot x. That is, d by dx of secant x equal to the same trigonometric function secant x into tan x, and d by dx of cosecant x equal to the same function cosecant x into cot x. Here, cosecant x start with the letter C. Therefore, minus of cosecant x cot x. Therefore, d by dx of cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Okay. Therefore, d by dx of sin x equal to, answer is cos x. D by dx of cos x equal to minus of sin x. D by dx of tan x equal to secant squared x. D by dx of cot x equal to minus cosecant squared x. D by dx of secant x equal to secant x tan x. D by dx of cosecant x equal to minus cosecant x cot x.